What's up, guys? So I'm here today, and today we'll be taking a look at this black and white television that I picked up from the thrift store with the original box and everything. So yeah, as you can see, so far it's 5.5 inch screen, so not too bad. It's made by Memorex. But as far as I know, a lot of companies use this same exact design of this TV here. But yeah, so it is black and white, so that's kind of important to know. It's not color TV. It has a built-in antenna into it, but you guys know they cut analog some few years ago, so that doesn't really work anymore. So sometime I will have to invest in the digital to analog converter. Anyways, earphone jack, it's right there. I'll show you guys that in a minute. Volume, UHF, VH, all that stuff. Different radios. Yeah, so it was supposed to come with, but you know, I picked this up at a thrift shop, so Goodwill. So it's not going to come with the car battery, you know, plug it into your car, the, whatever you call it, the cigar plug. And it did not come with this power adapter either. So right now I'm running it off of 10 C batteries, which is about $20 worth of batteries, guys. A lot more than what I paid for this thing. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright guys, we're unboxing it now, and that's how it came. So let's go ahead and find a way to take this thing out without breaking it. I'm going to have to use two hands. Here we go, guys. That is it. The Memorex TV. There's the earphone jack. Volume slide works perfectly fine. UHF, VH, and VL. I don't know what VL is. Never heard of that. And it's got a built-in radio in it too, guys. So we switch this tab to TV or radio. And yeah. Oh, and here is the rabbit ear on top, I guess. Antenna. That's how tall that thing goes. So not that tall. Kind of tall for portable TV, but you know, when the thing worked, it had to get the signal. So, all right, now let's test this thing out, guys. All right, first things first, I'm gonna show you guys the battery compartment. If I can get this freaking thing on. And yeah, it pops off like that, and I don't want those batteries to start flying out. They do not stay in there well, guys. Looks like we may have a problem. Yep. So as you can see, the batteries kind of curve on it a little bit because they don't stay in there that well at all whatsoever. And yeah, it takes C batteries, so you guys know that C batteries aren't the cheapest in the world. So we're having some technical difficulties here. Okay, hold up. Yeah, this is kind of a puzzle. Worked on this a tad bit yesterday. Let's get this thingy back on real quick before this thing's. There we go. Okay, guys. Boot her up now. And yeah, I'll show you guys the working TV part first. As long as this thing works after I messed with the batteries. Okay, yeah, it works. You guys might be able to hear the whining. Oh, and you guys can see it is coming on. And so if analog still worked, what I could do is pop this antenna up. All the way up. And probably start receiving signals. But since that was cut a long time ago, it doesn't work. As you guys can hear, the volume works really well, and that's not even that high volume. Then VH, VL, I don't even know what VL. Somebody tell me in the comments what VL is. I know what UHF is and VH. I thought it was VHF, but I don't know. Yeah, so it completely works. It even whines like a normal CRT, which you can actually hear on the small TV. You hear a lot more on that one over there, but yeah. And so if you want to switch channels, kind of like this, is you can see this thing. Probably getting you guys a seizure right now looking at that screen. So I'm gonna kind of turn the camera away from that. Hurts my eyes even looking at it. Yeah. Okay, that's much more stable. All right, and another cool feature on the back here we got. So yeah, I haven't showed you guys this yet. So if you're running it on external, you just flip that switch to the left where it says EXT. That's an external. That's one that you plug in a power. It says 12 volt, but up here it says 15 volt, and that's the manufacturer date. So pretty cool. External antenna, and we'll actually get to the external antenna right now if you guys want to. I don't have one, but I just noticed today, because I bought this thing yesterday, I think. Day before. I looked around and look what I found. I looked around in the box 2 days later, which is today, and found this. And that, if you don't know, plugs into the external antenna, so you can have an external antenna, which I think that means I might be able to get a digital to analog converter, and this TV will work perfectly fine, and I can use it as a portable TV, which it was meant to do. But moving on here, don't know if you guys can see these adjusters right here. We got, I don't know what the hell keeps moving around in there. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but contrast, brightness, and V-hold. I have no clue what that is. Somebody tell me what V-hold is in the comments, but yeah. So that's what those do. Let's turn one of them real quick. And that's brightness. So yeah. Let's move on to the next thing. Alright guys, we're gonna try the radio out now. So got it on let me turn it on that station right there. Let's turn it off real quick. You see it just turns off like normal TV. And there we go. Need to turn that down real quick before I get copyrighted again. Last time it was for a cassette tape that I played, of course, out of all things. But anyway, yeah. This TV's, to be honest, I feel like I got a good deal on it when I bought it. It's only a few bucks, and it works. I didn't know it worked at the time. That same day, I also got an old Magnavox DVD player. Over there, one on top of the VCR to the left of the TV. That's actually been working pretty well. Plays Rambo and that TV go to well perfectly, guys. Yeah, so that's this for you. It's really cool, portable TV. Hopefully I can get the digital to analog converter so I can actually use it as a portable TV. And yeah, so that's how that's gonna go. So, hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this TV, or other TVs, or anything I should look out for like this. Of course, if I see a CRT, I'm picking it up. Well, actually, you know, that same day, guys, I went to the thrift shop. They had a karaoke machine CRT with a CD player, and it actually completely worked because I turned it on there. Kind of cool, but it was $10. But anyways, guys, hope you guys have a nice day, and make sure if you enjoyed the video to like and subscribe.